Chapter 5 Computer Keyboard. A keyboard is used for typing numbers, alphabets, and some special symbols. It is an input device which is used for entering the data in the computer. By pressing the keys on the keyboard, we can type on the computer. A standard keyboard generally has 104 keys. Let us now learn about some special keys of the keyboard. Enter key. For moving the cursor to the next line, we use the Enter key. A small blinking line on the monitor where the next typed letter or number appears is known as the cursor. The cursor is the small straight standing line which keeps on blinking while we are typing. Enter key simply moves the cursor to the next line. It does not print anything on the screen. On the keyboard, there are two Enter keys. Backspace key. This key is used for erasing anything typed on the left side of the cursor. Suppose you typed BUSSTTOP by mistake. For correcting the misspelling, position the cursor after the first T and then use the backspace key for erasing the extra T. Delete key. It is used for erasing anything typed on the right side of the cursor. Suppose you have typed MIOUSE by mistake. To correct the misspelling, position the cursor after M and then use the delete key for erasing I. Spacebar key. It is the longest key on the keyboard. For inserting a blank space between two letters or words, the spacebar key is used. For example, to type my father, first type the word my, press spacebar and then type the word father. Arrow keys. These keys are used for moving the cursor in the 4 directions on the monitor. These keys are also known as the cursor control keys. The arrows marked on the keys show the direction in which the cursor moves when those keys are pressed. You can move in all 4 directions, up, down, left and right, by using these keys. Caps Lock key. This key is used for typing capital letters. Press this key to switch it on and press it again to switch it off. When caps lock is on, all the letters that are typed are in uppercase. For example, when the caps lock is off, all the letters are typed in lowercase. For example, Shift key. There are 2 Shift keys on the keyboard. Both have the same function. The Shift key is used along with other keys. Keep the Shift key pressed and then type the alphabet keys. The alphabets appear in capital letters even if the caps lock is off. Numlock key. You can use the numeric keypad available on the right side of the keyboard. For doing so, numlock should be turned on. A glowing light above the numlock label shows that it is on. The keys on the keypad now work as numeric keys. Navigation keys. There are several keys on the keyboard which make our work easy. These are called navigation keys. The following are the navigation keys. Arrow keys help us to move up, down, left and right. Page up and page down. Page up and page down keys help us to move one page up or one page down at a time. Home key helps us to move to the beginning of a line. End key helps us to move to the end of the line. Symbol keys. Many keys present on the top of the keyboard are marked with symbols on the top. These symbols are used using the Shift key. Keep the Shift key pressed and then press the symbol key for inserting a particular symbol. In order to type these signs, we use 2 buttons simultaneously. Lesson sum up. Spacebar key is the longest key used for inserting space between words and letters. For moving the cursor to the next line, the Enter key is used. For erasing things typed on the left side of the cursor, the Backspace key is used. Delete key is used for erasing things typed on the right side of the cursor. Cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor where the next typed letter or number appears. Caps Lock key is used for typing capital letters. Numlock key is used for typing numbers using the numeric keypad.